Hey guys, how are you all doing? So let's create Gangubai's look. So let's begin. So here I'm applying this orange corrector on my dark circles and this pink corrector on my entire face as a primer. Let's go with the foundation. I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 220. I've dotted the foundation and let's blend it out with the damn beauty blender. Now I'm using this Iba Cosmetics concealer in the shade medium and I will apply on my high points and on my under eye area. Make sure you blend your under eye area at the last. Let's set my base with this purple compact. I'm in the shade beige. It's time to do the eyes. Using this kajal pencil from purple and I'm lining my inner waterline, and now we will darken and do the extra lining outside the lower waterline. Now I'm tight lining my upper waterline. Taking a flat brush, I am pressing and pushing and setting my kajal with a black eyeshadow. Let's do the eyeshadow with a blending brush. Now I'm placing the warm nude brown color on my entire lid and my crease. Let's curl the lashes and I'm taking this purple mascara and just wiggling out. Now I'm doing the harsh contour because Gangubai's look was quite snatched, so I'm giving a harsh contour on my cheeks, on my double chin and the entire jawline, my forehead and my nose. Now I'm using the Swiss Beauty eyebrow pencil just to use those trending hacks, and I'm lining my lips, and I just realized that I forgot to set my face with a fixer, so I'm using this color bar fixer to set my base. And let's go with the highlighter before we go with the lipstick. I'm highlighting my high points like my cheekbones, brow bone, nose bridge and inner corner, and then blend it out with my fingers. Now I'm using this Swiss Beauty lipstick in the shade Morphe Brown 229. Now we'll add that mark of Gangubai with that same purple kajal, and voila, we are done.